Hello folks, I'm Eve. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can make an image dripping effect in Adobe Photoshop. First things have to do is to come here on Files and click on Open. Here on our file explorer have some different image. Have to select this and click here on Open. After opening it, we have to look on removing the background. By removing the background, you have to come from here on Magic Word Tools and press Select Subject. After pressing on it, selecting our object has been selected. Have to come from here on Add a Mask and press it. Our object has been removed, and then by minimizing our object, have to click on Ctrl T and minimize our object whatever in which way you want. And then after minimizing it, like let me try to do like this. Hey, that was fine and good. Alright, that was too much fine. After selecting it, I have to click here on tick, and then I have to import our ink drip. Have to come from press and click on press on embed. Have some more different ink drip and choose some things like this and click on press and increase the size of it. After increasing of its size like this, by try to look with the same with our image, and you have come here and press the opacity and check if it is pressed well in our object. After doing this like this, maybe this is fine. After doing it, come from here and also into the opacity and press tick. After doing this, you have to look on our ink drip that have imported and right click on it and press on rasterize layer. After you click on it, you have to come back on Magic Word Tools and press on it. After for doing it like this, you can come from our ink drip and press it and right click on it, right click and press similar. After pressing the similar, we have to click on delete. That was fine. And then after doing this, we have to come from also on an ink drip, press it with and select pixels and click here on select pixels, click on inverse. After clicking on inverse, we can come from here and mute our ink drip. It's look like this. Maybe that was fine. And come from our area 0 and press on our area 0 and come from here on blush. After coming from here on our blush, can let's click on it and set blush, and then can come for increase our size. Should be look like this. Maybe that was fine. Should be try to make it look like this size and make the hardness, and come here and try to remove it like this. Fine. After making look like this, our image has been edited. So the next things have to do, we have to click on Ctrl+D and look that our object has been working good and fine. After, we have to come back and press on adding another layer, click on plus icon and remove it, and should be look like this. and right click on it, and then on our layer we have to come from here and click on it and go to our gradient. We can come on here and extract basics and can choose like this, and then can come here and select some image. Let me try to select this to go with like this. This is good. And then after selecting it, have click OK, and then also here have click on OK. This should be right. Maybe try to make it as radial and try to change an angle. Should be go like this, and then as the scale should be, can increase it, or should be look like this. That styles was fine. Maybe this was fine. This is fine, and then click OK. After, I can come from here and press OK. The next things I have to do, I have to add another layer like this. Let me try to be at the bottom. On this layer I have to add another brush tools. Let me try to come from here, but let me first things I have to click here on Adobe tools and select it. This has been selected. I have to add another brush tools, and then I can right click on it and try to increase the size. Should be look like this. The size should be look like this. Okay, that was fine. And then I have to click it. Sorry, I can come from here and should be on the top. This layer should be on the top. So that was fine, and I can increase it like this because I have selected. It should be look like this. That's it. So for save it, I can click on Ctrl S. I want to save my image. I have click on Save As. On Save As and space, I should save as in which way I want. Let me save as, save a copy. Here I can come and select the PNG, and try to write ink drip the PNG like this, and then come and click on save. Yes, click on yes, has been saved, and click press on OK. If I come